need a slap, I need a drink.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Edumania. In our last lecture we have seen some questions related to the basic of integration, that we have done 6 questions. In this lecture we will solve more questions on basic of integration. So now the question is sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. We have to find the integration of this term. So how we can solve this? We can simply divide by this term to those terms. So simply we will get sin cube divided by sin square x into cos square x. Sin got cancelled. Here we have only one sin term divided by cos square x, plus similarly here we have only for one cos x divided by sin square x dx. Now we will separate those terms, sin x divided by cos square x dx plus integration of cos x divided by sin square x dx. Now here is the sin by cos 10. Here we have left with 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x is sec x. So 10x into sec x dx plus similarly here cos by sin, that is cot x. 1 by sin we have 1 by sin is cosec x. It becomes cosn x dx. So we know that 10x into sec x. We have seen that 10x into sec x is sec x. So it becomes sec x. Now cot into cosec. Cot into cosec x, that is minus of cosec x. So it becomes minus cosec x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. So this is the answer of question number 7. Now we will see question number 8. In this question you have to find the integration of sec x degree into 10x degree dx. Now here is not the theta, here is the where theta is replaced by x degree. So how you can solve this? So now we know that 180 degree equal to pi. I hope you all know this. 180 degree equal to pi. So 1 degree equal to pi by 180. Yes, of course. So x degree equal to pi x by 180. This term is in radian. So firstly we will convert these terms into radian. So integral sec x degree equal to pi x by 180 into 10. Similarly pi x by 180 dx. So we know that sec x into 10x, that is sec x. Sec, here is the x is replaced by pi x divided by 180, but we have seen and explained in the last lecture, if x is multiplied by some constant factor, we have to divide by that constant factor to the result expression. So it becomes pi by 180 plus c, where c is the constant of integration. So final answer becomes 180 by pi sec pi x by 180 plus c, or 180 degree by pi sec pi x by 180 is x degree plus c. This is the final answer of question number this. Question is asked in degree, so you have to find the final answer in degree. That's okay. Now we will see one more example, that is question number 9. Question number 9 says you have to find the integration of sin to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x dx. You have to find the integration of this term. Now how we can solve this? See, here is we can apply a square minus b square. a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b, and similarly a square plus b square is a plus b, a square minus ab, no sorry, a square plus b square becomes a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Sorry, these two formula we have applied to solve this integration. So now how we solve this? Firstly, we will change this into this. So we will write integration of sin to the power 4x whole square minus cos to the power 4x whole square divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x dx. Okay. Now suppose this term is a, this term is b, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So it becomes a plus b into a minus b. So here suppose we write a minus b into a plus b. I change it because it will help in upcoming. So now 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Now again we can apply the same formula here. So here we will write sin square x whole square minus cos square x whole square. This term is closed here. We have left with sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x dx divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Now again we will apply the same formula, a square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b. So it becomes sin square x minus cos square x, sin square x minus cos square x. Okay. Now second term is sin square x plus cos square x. Now what we have, this term we have expanded here, now we have left with this term. So we will write sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x dx, and the whole term is divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this term tend to the value of 1. So what we have left with, sin square x minus cos square x and here is the sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x dx divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Now see carefully, here also we can apply a square plus b square. So similarly we will write sin square x minus cos square x sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square dx divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. Now we will apply the formula a square plus b square here. So what we have, firstly we will write sin square x minus cos square x. Now a square plus b square is a plus b whole square, means a plus b whole square minus 2 a b. This term is different, so minus 2 a b dx divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Okay, till now it is clear. Now what we will do, sin square x plus cos square x is 1, so this term tends to the value of 1. So now what we have, it becomes sin square x minus cos square x, this term becomes 1. So what we will write, 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x dx divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. So, this term got cancelled. What we have? We have left only with this term. So, we will take negative term outside. So, it becomes cos square x minus sin square x dx. Why we have did this? Because we know that cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So, to in this form we take the minus term common. So, it becomes integration of cos 2x dx, and we know that the integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2 plus c, where c is the constant of integration. So, we have done some more questions that will help you to understand how we can implement the basic concepts while solving the integration problem. So, that's all for today's lecture. Thanks for watching.